The first step is to open the Canva design to which you want to add audio. If you don't see the music icon option in the left menu, scroll down and click the three-dot More menu. Click the audio icon. You can see that the audio icon is now a part of the left-hand menu. To select audio by theme, click the right arrow next to the suggested theme groups. You can choose any of the theme buttons to explore what audio is suggested by theme. You may decide, however, to use the search field instead. Click in the Search Audio field. This will provide you with suggestions, as well as show you recent searches you've made. Type in a search audio keyword, and press Enter. Scroll down, and make your choice of audio. In this example, click Shout. You can see at the top of the design that the soundtrack has been applied. Scroll over, and click the volume icon. This allows you to adjust the volume of the audio. To pause the audio while you are editing the design, click the pause icon. Click All Publish Options, which says Share. Click Download. Because there is audio involved, Canva will probably recommend to save your design using an MP4 file type. Click Download. This shows that your MP4 file is downloading to your computer, and now the download has completed. Look for the downloaded file on your computer. You could be finished, but if you want to keep editing, click the X to close the download message. If you decide you no longer want that audio or any audio, click the trash can icon to delete the current audio track. That audio track is now deleted from this design, but that's okay. You have already saved a version with audio on your computer. You can add different audio, or keep the design audio free. That's it, you're done.